Hi everyone, Will P here, and this is my unboxing video of the OnePlus 8 Pro Onyx black color. In upcoming days, I will do speed test and camera comparison between the 8 Pro and Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, the new OnePlus 8T and Xiaomi 10T Pro. I will also have the new iPhones 12 and 12 Pro during next week, so lots of new videos and comparisons are coming. Make sure you're a subscriber and turn all the notifications on so you get to see those when they are up. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments and I will try to get back to you guys regarding those. I'm also running a giveaway contest. If you haven't entered, I will put the link at the description. Go and check that out. But let's continue with our unboxing. Like always, we get some paperwork and stickers within the box. Let's put those aside. Then we have this generic plastic case that is coming with OnePlus phones. It is good to have it, but it's nothing special. Then we have the OnePlus charger. It's a 30-watt charger and it's supposed to, actually in my previous test, it fully charged the phone in 60 to 65 minutes. We also get the red charging cable coming with OnePlus phones, quite a standard OnePlus unboxing experience. Now let's have a look at the phone. This is the 128GB version with 8GB of RAM. I bought this on Amazon Prime there for 700 euros. The phone definitely looks glossy. The color is something like black but also a bit dark gray depending on the light reflection, and it definitely looks and feels like a premium phone. There is a screen protector installed on the curved display. The display is not as curved as the 7 Pro series. I have a video about that. I will put it at the end of this video. And this phone is a fingerprint magnet, this color. So it won't be always this beautiful unless you keep cleaning it all the time. But overall, the phone looks and feels very good and I really like it. We have a stereo speakers at the bottom, in addition to USB Type-C, SIM card slots and one microphone. And on top we have one microphone. And on side we get whatever we get on all other OnePlus phones. Overall, very well designed phone. Now let's put this up. So here we have it. The phone is booted up, looking and feeling very premium. I can say the display is very good. It's bright, it's sharp, 120Hz and Quad HD at the same time, something you cannot get at the moment, for example, on Samsung phones. And let me grab the S20 Fan Edition and compare these two side by side. I think the OnePlus is a better looking phone and more premium. The display is better, the build quality is good on both, but the material used in OnePlus is definitely better. You have a fully glass phone, both front and back, while on the Fan Edition, the back is plastic. Overall, I think OnePlus is a more premium looking device. I will have a speed test and camera comparison between these two, so make sure you're a subscriber and check those videos. So this was the quick unboxing and comparison between these two. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.